Hi, welcome back. Certainly glad to see you today. It's a fantastic day here, and I hope it is wherever you're at.
Hi friends, this is Laura, aka Little Sketches. So a while back I made a video where I followed a Bob Ross painting tutorial.
Hello, welcome to Drawing Digitally. This is Darren Cannell. Welcome to my studio. I am going to try to follow Bob Ross as well.
Because we have the liquid white on here.
At this point, I'm way ahead of everybody. I couldn't get my camera to focus. My settings were all off. You can still see that it seems to be all washed out. It's not very clear, but I'm way ahead because while I was trying to get it to work, I was also drawing, so now I'm way ahead of them.
And that will happen automatically because, once again, the paint's mixing with liquid white. It's on the canvas. You don't even have to do a thing.
I gotta do a lot of things.
I'm going to add just a touch of the Prussian blue. Prussian blue is much stronger than the phthalo blue, so just a little bit.
Okay, I need to find a softer brush because his is all blending with that white.
And a little touch maybe on the other side. What the heck, we don't want it blacked out. There. And just very gently go right across. That just takes out the brush strokes and brings everything together. Okay, now we have a little brush going here. We'll take a little more of the blues. I use both blues. Okay, we'll start with phthalo, like we did in the sky. Let's go up in here. Maybe there's a little water in here. So try to keep your strokes as straight as possible. This is the highlight of the whole painting. There we go. Just shake it off. A little touch of cad yellow. And just put it right in here. Just a little yellow highlight. And we don't mind it in the water. All right. And that, maybe our cloud lives right here. Little tiny circles. Little tiny circles. There you go.
Little tiny circles.
Just let that brush dance and play. But think about a basic cloud shape. About like that. What the heck? We don't care.
What the heck?
Clouds are very free. I get letters sometimes that say that the equipment that you use looks different than what I have. It's no different. It really is no different. But do it in layers, finishing one cloud at a time. Now when you're doing your painting, you decide. Wherever you want a cloud, then that's the right place to put one. But it's a little wispy clouds, little floaters. Just spin the brush and let these little rascals just float in there. Tell you what, let's do. Let's build us a little mountain. We'll take some black, Van Dyke brown. I've had some people say that it's hard to make mountains. I'm going to show you the easiest way imaginable. All we do is just put in a basic shape, and you decide the shape of your mountain. You decide. Why we have happy little trees and everything's happy here. Okay, now I'm just going to sort of pull that down. Grab it and sort of pull it down. Over here, we'll just go in this direction. Just pulling the color out so the next thing sticks easier. There, get rid of that excess paint. And if you do it fast, it works better than just barely doing it. For some reason it works better. But no pressure, you want this paint to break. Then I'm going to make little grassy areas that flow right up the hill. The most important thing is the angles here. You don't want your mountain to flow up this way and you put grasses going in a different direction. It will disturb you. I bet you've looked at paintings and your mind says something's wrong with that painting. You might not be able to tell exactly what it is, but you know something's wrong with it. That one sort of went on over, so all you have to do, we'll take a little touch of black. And you can do that with just a knife, that easy. at least a little bit of color on the knife, and you can put the indication here and there. Little things that we talk about all the time, like lay of the land and following the correct angles, are most important. Most important.
I'm painting. I'm following a Bob Ross tutorial. Okay. Excuse me.
Once in a while I can hit a little sap green just to give it a little dark areas here and there, so it's not all the same identical color. There we go. There. Okay. We just wipe the old knife on the paper towel. Yeah. Use number 3 fan brush, and I'm gonna put some of that dark color on there, both sides, loaded full. And maybe right up in here, yep, maybe there's a little stand of evergreens that lives right in here. I think that's what you call a whole group. I know it's not a herd of evergreens, so I think it's a stand of evergreens. A whole family, what the heck. Mix that same color again. Maybe over here on this side. Yep. Let's have another one that's right here. Another big old mountain. It comes down right there. Certainly does now. We'll do it twice. That'll give you a lot of practice. A lot of practice. There. And once again, we take a little white, put a little touch of dark sienna in it. Maybe at least a little touch of black into that one, just so it has some. Barely touch. Whisper. Just whisper light. Let it go. Let it go. No pressure. I think I mentioned before when I was teaching my son Steve to paint. I used to tell him just to pretend he was a whisper. Floated right across the mountain. See, just let that grass float right there though.
Okay, 1 minute.
So let it work its way right up there.
I need to catch up, Bob.
There it comes. Okay, maybe there and there we'll touch a little tiny bit of the bright red, but not much, not too much bright red. Something about like that. And you can make this as bright or as dark as you want it, depending on your mood and what you see in your paint. Okay, very gently. Now then, I'm just going to take a clean, dry brush, and I'm going to tap the base of this to create the illusion of mist down there. Now then. So let's go back in here. Maybe there's a little bit of land lives right here. There it comes. Just tap it in. Absolutely have to have dark in order to have light. Gotta have dark. Gotta have opposites. Dark and light, light and dark. Continually in painting. If you have light on light, you have nothing. If you have dark on dark, you basically have nothing. There we are. Well, it's like in life. You gotta have a little sadness once in a while so you know when the good times come. I'm waiting on the good times now. There.
Aww.
I'll mix it wherever you want. There. Okay, maybe over here, that little bigger, maybe a little stronger here. A little more light hit him. Okay. Wherever. There. These are little background trees that are far away. When I was a traditional painter, I used to agonize over reflections. In this style of painting, it's one of the easiest things that we do. See colors on it, satin, green, yellows, all the yellows. Just mix them on the brush though. But follow the lay of the land. It's the most important. You decide where it's at, and how you want it to be. We take our fan brush, put a little dark green on it, and we can add just a few little highlights on some of these evergreens. Not a great deal. I want to keep them quite dark. Something like so. Just a few. Let's go on the other side and give it a few. I think with that, we just about have a finished painting. I really hope you try this one, because as I said at the beginning, this is a very simple painting that you can do, even if you've never painted before. So, from all of us here, I'd like to wish you happy painting. God bless.